Welcome students. I am class teacher of UKG subject math topic before, after, between. So students, today we will discuss about before, after, between. Start now.
Before, look at the picture. The rat wants to run away from the cat. The rat is before the cat. John is before Karthik. Vijay is before John. Salman is before Vijay. Arjun is before Salman. One is before two. Two is before three. Four is before five. Six is before seven. Seven is before eight. Nine is before 10. The smaller number is always before the bigger number. After, look at the picture. The lion wants the deer. The lion is after the deer. Swati is after Lily. Lily is after Veena. Veena is after Preeti. Preeti is after Sarah. 3 is after 2. 5 is after 4. 6 is after 5. 8 is after 7. 9 is after 8. 10 is after 9. The bigger number comes after the smaller number. Between. Preeti is in between Salman and Arjun. John is in between Veena and Sarah. Veena is in between Arjun and John. The car is before the bicycle. The bicycle is after the car. The bicycle is before the bus. The bus is after the bicycle. The bicycle is in between the car and the bus. 2 is in between 1 and 3. 4 is in between 3 and 5. 6 is in between 5 and 7. 7 is in between 6 and 8. 9 is in between 8 and 10.
Tell me, what did he do before brushing his teeth? He woke up. You're right. He was sleeping nicely. Mama came and woke him up and said, "Baby, please wake up. It's time for school. Get up now." He woke up and he quickly started brushing his teeth. Okay, so what did he do before he brushed his teeth? He woke up. And what did he do before he took a shower? He brushed his teeth, right? And then, after he took a shower, what did he do, children? He had his breakfast and then went to school, right? Children, we you put your series of events or the things that you do every day, you will easily be able to understand what is before and after. Right? Now, what is she doing? She is washing her hands because she has to eat her food. Now, what is she doing? She's eating. Right? Then after she eats, she ate with her hands. So what should she do? She should wash her hands after eating too. So you should wash your hands before and after eating. We've learned this in the good habits, right? In right and wrong, we've learned this. Correct. Now children, you have something yummy on the screen coming up. French fries, pizza, and a pastry. Children, first as a snack, you will eat the French fries, right? Then you will eat the pizza. Then after you finish eating the pizza, you will eat the dessert, that is the cake. So, when you are eating the cake, you will be thinking, wow, the taste of the pizza was so yummy, right? And before eating the pizza, what did you eat? You ate the chips, the French fries. Now, what did you do? What did you eat in between the French fries and the pastry? The pizza. And that's why we've kept the pizza also in between the French fries and the cake. Children, do you know we have before, after and between in numbers also? Yes, and you know it very, very well. Now that you know what is before, after and between with words, with food, with your daily routine, it's very easy to understand with numbers. Okay, but before I teach you, you quickly go and see this animation video and come back to me. So children, what did you see? You saw or you learned before, after and between? Now let's see what this is. Here we have a girl and she says, I am Veena. Right? The next picture is of a boy and he says, I am Aryan. And the last picture of a girl again and she says, I am Aarti. Now let's see what they have to say. I am first in the line. I am before Aryan. Right? Who is sitting first? Veena. So she's saying, I am before Aryan. And what will Aryan say? I am between Veena and Aarti. So what will Aarti say? I am standing at the end of the line and I am after Aryan. Right? Now children, take a break. Get all your family members, stand in a line. Call out their names. Then rearrange them. You will do this. Suppose your mummy is standing in the first. Okay? Then your dad, then your grandma, and then your grandfather. You will say, Grandmom, please come and stand before mummy. So your grandmama will walk and stand in the first of the line because mummy is in the first of the line, right? Then you will say, Mummy, you go after grandpa. So mummy will go in the last now. Correct? What are you trying to do, children? You are using the words before and after and between to rearrange them in the line. Correct? You can stand in the line and you can ask your mama to give instructions. Then your papa, your grandma and your grandpa also can give instructions for you to change your places. Isn't this fun? Children, I want you to do this first before you go further. Stop me here, go play this game and then you can learn how you do the before, after and between with numbers. You first need to understand the words first. Before means in front of you. After means behind you. Okay. Now children, I'm sitting and I'm watching the laptop. Right? Now the laptop is before me. But behind me, after me, I have my cupboard in which I have all my books. So the cupboard is after me. The laptop is before me and I am in between the laptop and the cupboard. Did you understand it well, children? You also say the same sentence because you're also sitting in front of your laptop or your mobile phone, aren't you? And what is behind you? Look and say it in a sentence. Are we ready to go forward? So let's learn what is before, between and after with numbers. Okay. Before that, let me give you another example. We have the ball, the bat and the stumps, right? The wickets. So now how do you say it in a sentence? The ball is before the bat, right? The bat is before the wickets. The bat is after the ball and the wicket is after the bat. Now what is in between? The bat is in between the ball and the wickets, right? Now you can also place three different things in a line and call them in sentences. For example, I have my mouse, then I have a water bottle, and then I have a sanitizer bottle after my water bottle. So I will say the mouse is before my water bottle. The sanitizer bottle is after the water bottle. The water bottle is in between the mouse and the sanitizer bottle. Isn't that a nice example? Now you also take an example like that and go forward. Then we will see the number line. You know what a number line is? A number line is a line in which we have the numbers from 0 to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this number line has the numbers from 0 to 9. Did you see, children? The numbers already came and sat on the number line. They are like, I will not change my place. This is my place. See, my mama asked me to sit on this line. I will sit here only. Okay? So the numbers are always written like this in an order. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It will go on. But here, because we have only so much space, we have given you until 9. Now let's see what we're going to do. Let us see what are before numbers on this number line. Answer this question. Which number comes before 7? Don't worry. Let's see. Now here the numbers are coming and sitting in the number line. What did I ask you? Which number comes before? 7. So I circled the number 7 and before is in front. Correct? So what is the number that is missing there? The number 6. Right? So 6 comes before 7. Right, children? So before is always to your left. So whenever I give you a number, point your hand on that number on the number line. Okay? And if it is before, then it is left hand. How will you remember this? Before has left also has. Okay? Left. Before. So raise your left hand. Which number is the number 7 touching? Is touching the number 6. Now, let's see what is in between 4 and 6. Right? Now, I'm asking you 4 and 6, so I circled the number. Now, we do not know what is in between 4 and 6. It's the number 5. So, 5 comes in between 4 and 6. Did you get it? In between, obviously, you will raise both the hands. So, what are the numbers that you're touching? 4 and 6. What are you then? You're the number 5. Now, what is with the after number? What comes after 3? Let's see. Now, when it is after, raise your right hand. So, you point out at 3 with your left hand and raise your right hand. Which number are you touching? The number 4. So, 4 comes after 3. Got it, children? Now, it's time for us to rapid fire. Okay? I'll ask you questions of numbers which come before, in between or after, and you have to give me the right answer. Right? Now, what comes before 99? See, children, simple. If it is the blue color, it is before. Okay? So, immediately raise your left hand, close your eyes. Think that you have the number line in front of your eyes. What will you touch? Just check the ones place. What will you check? 9, right? So, what will come before 9? 98, right? Next is after 33. So, raise your right hand. Did you touch 34? Very good. What is in between 42 and 44? 43, right? Then after 78, 79. Between 72 and 74, 73 again. 36. What comes before 36? Children, it is very important to ask the right question. You can't say 36 before, 36 after. That is wrong. You should use the word before the number that you are asking. So the way you frame the sentence is like this. Which number comes before 36? No shortcuts allowed in English. You have to use the words in the correct order. So what is the number that is coming before 36? Close your eyes, left hand up, 35. What comes before 43? 42. In between 100 and 102 is 101. What comes after 79? 80. What comes in between 65 and 67? 66. What comes after 56? 57. What comes before 15? 14. What comes after 0? The number 1. Very good. What comes before 50, children? Close your eyes. Left hand. Move left. Move left. 49. What comes in between 14 and 16? 15. Right, children? So this is how you will visualize the number line and answer the before, after and in between. It's extremely simple. You just...
So students, I hope you all have understood topic, homework. Complete this activity given in page number 16 and 61 of the activity book. Then practice book page number 55. Thank you.